Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Zap Proxy. Firstly, go to the official Zap download page and choose the installer for your operating system. So install and launch Zap. When prompted about session persistence, click No for now and then click Start. In the Zap menu bar, go to Zap Preferences. In the left sidebar, click on Local Proxy. Set the address to 127.0.0.1 and set the port to 8080. Then click OK to save the settings. Now Zap will listen for traffic on. If you want to add your SSL certificate to trusted authorities, you can do it through HTTPS traffic. Just configure your browser to use Zap Proxy, and now Zap will intercept all web traffic passing through it, allowing you to inspect, test, and analyze requests in real time. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.